So I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to enable and disable screensavers. So just press the home button to go home and go to the top there and select settings. Under settings, scroll down to system, select that. Under system, scroll down to advanced settings, select that, and then go to screensaver and select that. Now you have a couple of options here. You can choose to have screensaver automatically come on when no one touches the TV for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes. So these are all options for turning screensaver on. To turn it off, go ahead and select none, so you'll never have a screensaver. So that's off. And for on, you have these three options. Okay, and that's basically how to turn the screensaver on or off on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.